Hi everyone, today we are at Garandi Waterfall. Let's check it out. Garandi Falls is located in Kalugala village in the Kandy district. It is about 59 kilometers away from Kandy. We recommend using your own motorbike or personal vehicle to reach this area. No need to worry about the parking. The people around the village are very friendly and provide parking facilities. Garandi is not an actual single waterfall. It is a cluster of waterfalls. The cascades are made up approximately 7 waterfalls. It is about 2 hours hike. Now we are heading to the top of the waterfall. The hike is moderately difficult, but you should be brave and finish the hike. Some parts are very narrow to cross at 60 to 80 degrees. As you see, we have to climb some parts using a rope. It is very challenging in the rainy conditions. Therefore, be careful. Let's see the top view of Garandi Falls. Once you reach the top, the views are absolutely breathtaking. From there, you can see Kalugala Falls, Sorobara Lake, Kalugala Mountain, Knuckles Mountain Range, and many mountains. Garandi is a perfect spot for adventure seekers and nature lovers looking to experience Sri Lanka's natural beauty. You can camp there, but you need to get permissions from responsible authorities. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy this adventure with us. Until next time, happy exploring!